The Georgia Occupational Award of Leadership, known as GOAL, is celebrating its 50th year this year. The GOAL program was organized to recognize and reward among the more than 150,000 students studying at Georgia's technical colleges. It is the only statewide program in the nation to honor excellence among technical students at the post-secondary level.
I got out of the Marine Corps in 2017, basically, and I had no clue what I was gonna do, but I knew that I wanted to be successful. And college was obviously what everybody was always bringing on top. You know, you got to go to college, but I was afraid because everybody always talks about a 4-year commitment, and I wasn't sure if that was for me. I started doing my digging and trying to figure out what attributes fit me best, what things I like doing, and landed on business marketing. And now I guess my decision was what school. So I looked at a couple 4-year universities, and with everything that Mr. Upton said I had on my plate, it didn't really work with me. So I decided to come back to Rome, looked into GNTC, and immediately fell in love with everybody helping me out.
I knew that I was going to have to try to find a school or a program that was going to be flexible and work around my work schedule. So I was living in Gordon County at the time, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give Georgia Northwestern a shot. I didn't really know what to expect just because the system seemed quite different from the university system that I was used to. But fast forward to today, and I will tell you that Georgia Northwestern has surpassed every expectation that I've had in mind. They completely shifted my mindset on how I feel about technical education. One thing that just really stood out to me with Georgia Northwestern was how everything is so direct here. All of the courses are industry related. The professors, the community, they all want to push you and see you get through your program, get out in the field, and just really gain that experience. So that was really motivating to me.
I signed up during the free enrollment week for Georgia Northwestern and started cybersecurity. Since then, I have been able to leverage the skills that I've learned into a career in technology. I've come a long way. I understand how a computer works now, which is more than I could say when I started. And it's thanks to the instructors and the material that we're learning. It's all very directly applicable to what I do at work. I do intend to mentor students at the Chattanooga area high schools in cybersecurity. I'd really like women and younger girls to also know that they can be good at computers as well. And I want to encourage them to also shoot for the moon, literally shoot for the moon, because my career aspiration after Georgia Northwestern is to become a cybersecurity analyst for NASA.
The GNTC 2021 GOAL winner is Stephanie Kurtz, Marketing Management.
When I was just at a certain crossroads, whenever I felt like, you know, is this the end of my educational journey? Georgia Northwestern stepped in, just really illuminated those next steps for me, just giving me the vision and the direction that I really needed. So I just wanted to say thank you to Georgia Northwestern. And I want to specifically say thank you to Mark Upton for not only nominating me as a GOAL student, but for just pushing me out of my comfort zone and just really giving me that confidence that I needed at this time in my life. So thank you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.